Christine DeFilippis, the owner here of Pop Fit Studio in the Philadelphia area and the creator of Fit Pro Ed, an online resource for fitness professional education. We have tons of courses and workshops to help instructors expand their expertise. We love sharing what works for us here in the studio, and my 25 plus years in the fitness industry teaching dance, bar, and trampoline. We are an education provider for Jumpsport. So join us at our Jumpsport session, and also I'll be leading a session on creating inclusive classes for all bodies. As a Hey Studio, Health at Every Size Studio, I love sharing marketing strategies and just creating classes that are welcoming and for everybody. After spending years in the fitness industry, weight cycling, dealing with eating disorders, I've had my fair share of diet culture, so I'm going to help you break that, breaking body biases and creating really inclusive spaces. So I hope I see you at either of the sessions.